go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Molinard. Feels like it's been years since I've spoken about the brand. Molinard is a brand that has a rich history, excellent fragrances from what I've tested before. It's been a while since I've spoken about the brand, so it's nice to have something new to talk about here. Obviously not an unboxing. This is a tester from Fragflex, a returned item. Let's see what it's all about. But yeah, I started my journey with Cuirs from Molinard, and this is a brand that is at discounters and really is a brand that I would check out. If you're, you're kind of getting tired of the designer game and you want to get into niche, but at a reasonable price, this is where it's at. These things are super cheap. I started off with Cuirs, the leather-based one, liked it. Moved on to Figue, liked it, and then kind of stopped. But I want to get back into the brand of Molinard. This one called MM. That's it. M. That's it. That's the name of it. I do need to sniff more from the brand. But I guess this is what this video is all about today here, just to kind of maybe, some of you knew about the brand and kind of forgot about it. This video is going to be like an aha moment. Maybe I should go sniff out Cuirs and Figue that Mark talked about. Yeah, probably. But let's talk about MM and see what this one is all about. This one isn't very popular within the fragrance community. I don't even think there's a video on this. Maybe there is, but let's see what I get. If you're not subscribed, before we get into anything, we have to tackle this. And I know a lot of you aren't subscribed. What are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button. I really appreciate that, especially like a fragrance like this. It needs to get a little more press, these brands. Not this particular fragrance. Maybe it's a really good one, perhaps. Let's take a look at the notes as per Fragrantica. They may be right, they may be wrong. We all know Fragrantica is kind of like a Rolodex that you might be drunk one day and put something in your Rolodex, and that's what Fragrantica is all about. Sometimes the notes aren't what they seem. This was released in, I don't know, there's several different dates on different websites. Honestly, this is a brand that is very old, 1849 old. They are from Grasse, from France. So we're going to take the notes from, this might have been repackaged, I think. So anyway, let's delve into it. Let's put it on strip first, as per usual, and then we'll put it on skin and see what I get. MM. MM starts off with some brightness. I sense some lemon. And I don't think the note... I'm getting nutmeg. So the note breakdown that I have from Fragrantica, I think, is definitely wrong. I think it was saying water notes, floral notes. Not here. This smells familiar. Talking about Rolodex. I'm Rolodexing right now. I know what this smells like. Boss Bottled. I knew that smell. Boss Bottled. I wore that when I was a teenager. Like, that was one of my first signature scents. That vanillic spicy thing, it's obviously more cinnamon wise. Yeah. This one has like a nutmeg clove kind of thing going on. A little bit of woods. A little bit of that vanillic spicy quality. There's a little bit of lemon up top, but that burns off real quick. So I don't know, like the note breakdown that was on Fragrantica, I think it was floral notes, watery, aquatic notes, something like that. Cedar, patchouli, oud, something like it was. Unless this is a totally different scent, I'm not getting any of those. I'm not getting anything aquatic. I'm not getting anything floral. I'm getting lemon. I'm getting a citrus, like a little pinch of citrus. There's none listed whatsoever. But I'm getting a lot of spice, and it's not cinnamon. It's clove or nutmeg, either or. A little bit of woods. Yeah. More of a spicy thing than anything, which I like. It's decent. I don't know, like personally now, like And again, like this is a first impression unboxing. You got to take my thoughts with a grain of salt. I would prefer just to buy the original Boss bottled. That gives me this kind of idea. Yeah. This doesn't seem like something I would, and again, this might be actually cheaper Boss bottled on discounters. It could, I could be right. These, and again, I haven't checked, but these usually go for around 70 at discounters, like Canadian. So American friends, you know you're getting a deal. Boss bottled, like a good size bottle, like 100 mils. Like this is 75 mils, but 100 mil Boss bottled at a discounter, maybe 70, 80, give or take. So around the same ballpark, I'd rather go with the bottled. Yeah. So it's more about spice than anything. That is my central theme here. That's what I'm going to go with, like a nutmeg clove kind of thing. A little bit of vanillic tendencies, not too much though, not as much as the Boss bottled. It has obviously a little bit of lemon up top, which is gone. And that's it. So okay. Yeah. For the price, you could do worse, you could do better, but yeah, not bad. It's not a big standout. So you can find this one at fragflex.com. You can utilize my code TFG10, get 10% off if you wish to do so. Go check out Fragflex for Molinard fragrances. I highly recommend the Cuirs, the leather one, and the Figue one. I love both leathers and figs, some of my favorite notes of all time. They do it justice, in my personal opinion, especially for the price tag that you're getting. This one, I would most likely pass on it. I'll wear it some more, and maybe it'll get better. Like, again, I haven't smelled the dry down. I haven't seen performance, all that good stuff, but we'll see. But initial impression, yeah, might as well just get the Hugo Boss. Again, not the exact same thing, but same family. Potato, potato. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. I don't know how many people have smelled MM. I don't know. Like, I don't think I've heard anybody talk about this one. So I'd love to see the comments below. Anybody thinking about this one? Good, bad, ugly. I don't care. If you have nothing to say about let's talk about Molinard as a brand. Suggest me some, because I'm due too. So let's talk about some of the best in the game from Molinard. And as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.